Digital twins in bioreactors, the future of smart manufacturing. Imagine a virtual twin of your bioreactor running in real time alongside the real thing, predicting faults before they happen and optimizing performance automatically. Welcome to Digital Twins, the next revolution in industrial biotech. Today, we'll discover how researchers are using them to make smarter, more reliable bioprocesses. A digital twin is a virtual replica of a physical system, in this case, a bioreactor, powered by sensors, real-time data, and predictive simulations. It allows engineers to test scenarios, detect anomalies, and improve control strategies without interrupting actual production. Live sensor data, such as temperature, pH, dissolved oxygen, and stirrer speed, is fed into a computational model that simulates the reactor's behavior. Using machine learning and numerical solvers, the system forecasts outcomes and recommends optimal parameters. A recent study in the Biotechnology Journal used digital twins on a 100-liter cell culture system. They reduced downtime by 30% and improved consistency in yield and purity. Implementation steps. Calibrate the physical reactor, KLA, P/V, mixing patterns. Build a computational model with mass balances and kinetics. Integrate sensors plus data pipeline. Train the digital twin using initial process runs. Deploy for real-time predictions and control. Digital twins enable predictive maintenance, automatic process optimization, faster scale-up, ultimately boosting ROI, reducing waste, and ensuring consistency. So that's the power of digital twins, making your cyber reactor as smart as a pilot. If you're preparing for CSIR NET and aiming for industrial biotech, mastering this technology will set you ahead. In our next video, we'll explore AI-powered soft sensors, virtual sensors that predict hard-to-measure values, such as biomass or metabolite concentration. Make sure to like, comment your questions, and subscribe for more deep dives into bioprocess tech.